When you're looking for something random to do, check out this channel. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And for today's random video, I'm just going to be picking some of this kale. It's grown out of control for the most part. It's all over the place. So I'm just going to snip a few leaves like so. And all my plants and vegetables are organic. I don't use any pesticides or anything like that on any of my fruits and vegetables or my herbs. I just plant it and let it grow. So I would say everything is organic. And we're just picking some of this to take some of the people at my job. I told them I would bring in some kale, so that's all we're doing here. Just picking a few nice ones and hope they enjoy it. So that's a lot. God dang bee. So that's a lot of kale. Set it down to the side. I'll take another one. Thank you for watching my video. Tune in for the next one. If you would like to see me do something special, write it down in the comments. Like and subscribe.